How about this? Some old tools for old fools. I often tell everybody that I'm really a tool collector, and that the motorcycles, cars, trucks, etc. are just my excuse to collect more tools. I really love these ancient Simpson and Micronta multimeters with the dial indicator. Yeah, spare me that your digital one can be slightly more accurate. There's times when the digital one is fluttering so fast you can't read it. And then being able to look at a needle that you can see where it's pointing to is actually a much better situation. But anyhow, these are just really cool old items, and they work. No, I don't want to part with them. They'll hang around here. If they quit working, they'll leave the toolbox and go hang on the wall with the rest of the antique tools.